we're going up. Hop about the whip and do the that, and now we're going up. Now we're going up.
So, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is probably not going to be my intro, so let me just talk. I'm going to do another intro because right now I just look busted and crusty. So, today was move-in day, and honey, I am so tired. Like, I am so tired. Okay, so today, I'll put it up here. It's August 7th. It is probably like, I think it was 11 something when I just looked at the time. And I just moved in today. I was able to put up my groceries, my pots and pans, you know, all my dishes. Well, majority of them, because I just found some. Because I'm still unpacking. I set up my bed and everything. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to do a room tour, so probably in a separate vlog. Or maybe in this one too. Yeah, I'll probably do it in this one because I didn't vlog the whole moving process because I don't understand how people do that when you're moving in, stuff like that. Because I was very busy. So don't mind how that dresser look over there. I don't know what's going on right there. But hold on, let me let y'all see my bed a little bit. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. I have a full size bed. It looks small on camera, but it's actually a full size. Got some stuff right here. That's what I'm over here fixing now. I want to do all that. I only want to do my clothes tomorrow. I'm showing you the bathroom. Oh, by the way, I love my room. What's up? You know, I feel like my hair is so full. That's my waist trimmer, so just if I look boxy. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's all my trash right now. But yeah. So I just gotta do all of this. Oh yeah, some stuff in my closet as well. That bin right there that I have not touched at all. Okay. Are we good? Okay, so still in a pandemic or whatever. And so far, I'm trying to figure out what is different. So this year, when we had to check in, it was kind of like a drive-through check-in. Well, that's what it was. And that was actually very organized. But as, like, the move-in process is really the same. But this year they did, like, I guess it's different. Like, they moved us in based on our room number. Like, they usually would do it based on, like, you know, alphabet, your last name basically, but this year they did it based on room number. So yeah, that was different. Of course, you have masks. They actually gave us 2 masks. They're just plain white masks. I thought it was going to be like at least have the school logo or something on it, or says Clayton State. But I think all colleges got these, because I think Georgia State have these same exact ones as well. Wow, let's fit it. Hold on. See, the thing about these, you can't adjust them. But yeah, I feel like it's tight on this ear. There it is. So yeah, this is what they gave us. Gave us 2 of these. But yeah, that's honestly, it don't even feel like we're in a pandemic, honestly. Like, sorry for saying that so many times, but like when I got here, you know, I mean, it's normal. I can't say it's not so many people though, so I guess them doing it how they're doing it, like with the room numbers, I guess it's helping. But it really wasn't like a lot of people. I would say it was more people in the hundreds than the thousands moving in. But what else? That's pretty much the only thing that was different. So right now I'm really tired. I'm about to just play some music and, you know, try to finish what I can tonight, because I'm really tired. Because right after I'm done with, like, once I'm like tired, I'm gonna be like, okay, I'm about to get in the shower and go to sleep, and then continue tomorrow. But tomorrow Sierra moving in. I might be helping her move in too. So yeah, but I might give y'all a room tour here. So if I do enjoy the room tour, I'll probably record it tomorrow. But yeah. So I forgot to tell y'all that I do have all 3 roommates. You know, it's always 4-bedroom. And I met 2 of my roommates, but we probably all like actually meet tomorrow. Well, I think like 2 of them like know each other already, but I didn't room with anyone I knew this year, so yeah. But I forgot to add that in there. So we'll probably all meet tomorrow. You know, when you moving in, it was just and we all kind of moved in at a different time, but I do know I was one of the roommates who was moving in at the same time. But yeah. So it's not corona, it's really something in my throat. But yeah.